We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption. You tell me what is ketakalan? Oh, this is violent. Is this violent? Hey, kita kalau orang tutup penyidikan. Hey, kita kalau orang tu.
Bawan honorable Prime Minister. Kumakus Minister. Kami appear
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeastern? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai sosial media kamdan cuk bari.
Kamdan cuk bari. Tapi ini pensoleran. Paling ini darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Yang itu upor, because internet kan itu jam partai dia ru bahasa orang macam connected mesti ada sini belum plenary committee juga.
Kadon kabha betul kita. Bagi kita
pensoleran dengan represent wrong message.
Kamdan ka wrong message, kadang ka right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Ndai ban sudara jot repair di surat tang perwan ke central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan.
So all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You are
a representative countries. You can read the issue through a possibility. Through a continuing with the.
Who are you to explain me how to do this? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Mengingin ko ajing keluar, kako ajing keluar ke Sorkat, kako ajing keluar ke District Administration. Dan kami kata, kani kampun wet, kalau himut banang bahkan kamsukan kampu ke sup kan kam jai lebih isong nang ni, minum kit nang ni, dia boleh ngim lah bani ya, bani kenduk yo officer pelafu ni ngangongan dia kenduk, dangal ai kenduk ong tu ngin saya keren dan ngin saya rai, menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kenduk, ngim lah ban rai. What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Yeah, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. That if he so artian, he so tikna yung itaptiar line up yung check yung wait. Dia nak tahu konti kata ngalak ada keren. Bala lagi government kita, government. Oh, ini kita nak ready to deal in this. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious? Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. We are preparing. Never. We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.